Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix your account is already registered to another phone in GCash. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first step is open up your GCash and then log in to your account. Once you are in, make sure to log in on the old phone or your previous device. Once you have logged into your previous device, you just need to click on Profile on the bottom of your screen and then go for this setting. Once you are in your setting, you need to click on the Account Secure on the top. Once you click on there, you will have the option of unregistered phone right here. So you just need to click on this particular option. Once you do so, you just need to confirm your identity again. And once you are done with that, you can now log into your GCash account. So that's basically how you can fix your account is already registered to another phone in GCash. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.